happiest kids are at Kara, and I would truly endorse that. My journey to look out for Rian's play school started exactly a year and 2 months back. Somebody else whose children were here, they recommended Kara. The moment I entered, I spoke to Mercy, and she was so cool about it, and she said that we'll deal with it. He was just 2 years old. And the best part which I felt was I was allowed to be with Rian inside the classroom for 2 weeks till he settled down. That for me is the greatest satisfaction, because there's nothing to hide here and everything is so open. We can just walk in the classes at any given point of time. So that was how the journey began. And I think within a month, Rian knew the name of all Didis, like at least 15, 16 Didis, and he knew all of their names, which made me feel that yes, of course, he's very comfortable with them. And I think he started interacting a lot. He became very, very social. And of course, all his skills did get developed. But I think more than the skills getting developed, it was the whole journey. He was having fun along with learning. And that's the most important part of it. And his confidence grew multifolds, because he exactly knew how to interact with people, how to deal with different age groups. And I'm quite surprised because he talks like an adult to me, which I feel doesn't come naturally to kids. And this is all thanks to the Didis and the Kara team here. The food is amazing. Yeah, he loves the food. When I cook at home, he's like, please go and learn from Lata Didi how to cook. So it's that, close to his heart, all the Didis are. And he's grown, of course, I think being working parents, we meet him only for a couple of hours a day in the evening, and we've hardly taught him anything because it just goes as playtime. So one fine day he just picked up his mic at home and he sung A to Z, and I was like stunned because I didn't even know that he knows ABCD. So that was amazing. Few days back he came and spoke to me about Jupiter and Saturns, and a 2.5-year kid talking about that, and only astronauts can go to space. I think it's about how they teach him, not what they teach him, is what makes the difference at Kara. So I think it's all thanks to Kara team, Mercy, Pramila, Geeta Didi. I can go on and on and on. The names are endless, but each one of them has a significant role in his growth in the last 1 year. And I'm looking forward to the next phase for another 1 year, 2 years. Yeah.